12 years ago, I moved to Modesto, and I started working at a local junior high school, and I came here because of a reference from one of our secretaries. Later I found out that a couple of our teachers and another secretary also come here. The staff up front, Dee Dee and them, they're great. They're kind of funny too. And then the assistants have been very helpful, and the doctors, Brewers, are pretty cool with all their technology. So I've come to know them pretty well, I guess. I've been very, very comfortable. They take great care of my teeth and me. They know what they're doing. They're very confident, and they're on the top edge of the technology, dental technology. The team makes me feel very relaxed, and from getting my teeth cleaned all the way to being shot up for a root canal, not a root canal, a crown like I'm having today. You know, so they're very professional, and they know how to work with their patients, or me at least. Yes, I would recommend them, and that's why I'm willing to do this video, because not only professionals, but they're a family, and actually they're very on top of the latest dentistry technology and stuff like that, which is really nice, you know, and they're easy to talk to, and they communicate what they need to do and how they're going to do it well.